I'm back with another video, but not just any video, y'all. So, I decided to switch it up for y'all. So, I'm about to do the color food challenge, okay? I gotta eat this green food, these drinks, and all that. So, basically, I got green juice, pickles, apple. Gosh, that was just for decoration, so disregard that. Cucumbers, broccoli, apples, peppers, limes, lettuce. I got all the green food, y'all. Green food, yes, green food. This apple's so good. But, aside from smacking. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and let's get it too.
Y'all see it? Y'all ready? Got my water just in case shit get real. Here we go. Oh my god. Y'all. Ooh. Ooh, Jesus. You ain't shit, man. Trying to ruin my life like that. Oh, y'all. I'm really gonna eat it, y'all, for real. Like, I'm not about to play. What's the point of doing the challenge if you ain't gonna eat it? Oh my god. I can't. Yes, you can. You can do anything you put your mind to. Y'all are nothing. This, I'm telling y'all, don't try this at home. If you're not built for this, don't do it at home. Don't do it, period. But I heard limes are good for you. That's what I heard. Yeah. So I ate it, y'all see? I don't know if y'all can see, but I ate most of it. Let me get the rest. So y'all will be like, you ain't even eat it. Yes, I did. Y'all seen my motherfucking face. See, I ate it, y'all. You can do it to you. So, I need something sweet after that. This is how the mukbang people be in the SA. They be like, they be like, they be like, really? They be like, they be like,
delicious viewers, and welcome to this ASMR video.
Oh my goodness! Oh, my chest burning! My chest burning!
Y'all, do you know it? I'm eating all healthy shit right now. Ain't nothing on this table that I'm eating unhealthy. I like these. I like cucumber. I actually eat these with Italian dressing. It'd be so bomb. Or ranch dressing, bomb. You can use any kind of dressing you prefer, to be honest. Slice them up. Dip them bad boys. Some people put sorry if I'm smacking. They also be like this. If you don't like slurping, burping, smacking, or moaning, this video is not the one for you. But after I finish these foods, girl, I'm gonna be skinny. I wish like shit. But y'all, let me tell y'all. I should do a story time. No, I'm just gonna talk. So what's up with y'all? What's y'all been up to? You know, I'm just living life. Working, grinding to the motherfucking T. Period. No, I ain't fought. That's my fucking chair. I want my subscribers to see another side of me. You know? I should put some lime on it. See what it tastes like. Y'all see that? No. Okay. Cause you know, these chefs and shit, they be putting lemon on everything. What should I try next? I'm gonna save the sweet stuff for last. So y'all, I got the pickles. Sweet baby Jesus. Let me stop calling Jesus' name. Before he be like, girl, I heard you calling me. And you better stop calling my name if you don't want name. He gonna remember that. He gonna be like, remember? Like, no. Like, pickle. This right here, torch. Period. Just make you wanna. Let me tell y'all about this time when. I'm gonna tell y'all a story time. When this dude I was talking to broke my phone. Y'all, I cried so bad. But the reason why he broke my phone because he thought I was talking to somebody in our band. And I'm like, why would I be talking to somebody in our band? And I'm with you. And everybody in this band know I'm with you. He was like, I don't give a fuck. Where you get that new phone from? Where you get that new phone from? I'm like, not you. So he like, who gave it to you? I'm like, not you. Period. So I'm about to try this drink right here called Green Goodness. And it got apples, green apples, pineapples. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh shit. It got 3 apples, 1 pineapple, 4 mangoes, banana, and 1 kiwi. Hold up, nope, I forgot the peppers. My bad, I lied. But yeah, y'all, he was like, so you gotta be talking to somebody. Who the fuck you talking to? How you get that phone? I was like, my best friend bought it, which she did. She bought me a phone, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause I was down and out, you know what I'm saying? Me and him was beefing at the time. He put me out his house. So, you know, I had to find me somewhere to stay or whatever. And see, I cut it. Y'all see that stuff in the inside? And I had to find me somewhere to stay. And my best friend, you know, opened her doors to me and let me come stay, and she was helping me out. And shout out to her, I will never forget her for that. And I love her, period. He threw the phone. It was a nice phone, y'all. He snatched my phone. He was like, give me the phone. But I was like, no. This gonna have my son. I don't know how this gonna make me feel. But he was like, give me the phone. And I was like, no. So tell me why, y'all. He took the fucking phone from me somehow. He pinned me down, took the phone, threw it up against the wall, concrete wall. Then threw it on the ground. And I heard the phone go crack. I was like, bro, I just got this phone today. The plastic was still on it. So I'm like, why would you do that? He was like, no, talk to somebody on that shit. B. And I was like, I had to think about it, like, did that really just happen? It did, didn't it? That really fucking happened. This nigga broke your shit. Okay. So, he called the nigga that he so called think I'm fucking with. And he's like, why would I fuck with her? That's my sister. And he was like, why would I do you like that? You my man. He was like, no, I don't trust y'all niggas. So I'm like, this nigga crazy. At that moment, I knew I was dealing with a killer. So, alright, y'all. That pepper was okay. It just tasted a little funny, but. So we had to get in the same car together, y'all. Mind you, we was in the same bed together. And everything. He sing, I sing. And we was dating. Everybody knew we was dating. So after he broke my phone, everybody trying to figure out like what the fuck going on, why I'm going off. So I'm like, look, this nigga broke my shit. So we get in the car, whatever, we ride home. They like, look, y'all need to chill, y'all need to chill. So we get halfway to the little joint when we about to go onto the street. And something just dawned on me, and it was like, I'm about to start drinking this. Or into the store, like, oh my God, it smells so good. But I got my cup. But something dawned on me, and it was like, oh, it's thick, y'all. Y'all see that? And something dawned on me, and I was like, bruh, fuck him up, bitch. Fuck him up. And the next thing you know, I just blacked out, y'all. I literally blacked out. And I just started beating his motherfucking ass. Like, I started hitting him over his fucking head. I started to spit on him. I was so pissed. And I know y'all probably like, that's not ladylike. But I started to beat the shit out of him. So they had to stop the car. Oh my God. This is so good. So we had to stop the car. I got out the car and we was fighting in the street. They breaking us up like, no, fuck no. You don't hit no female, you wrong. He was like, I ain't even hit her, I pushed her off me. So they was like, nah, somebody sit in the middle of them. You let her sit in the front, somebody sit back here with him. Cause we gotta keep them apart. It got that bad, y'all. But to make a long story short, y'all, basically, he did that shit just to be spiteful. Like, oh, you ain't about to be talking to nobody. If you ain't with me, you ain't about to be talking to nobody. Now, how you like that? But come to find out, my phone was still working, but it was just cracked up real bad. It looked like somebody ran over it with a car. Like, I was crying so bad when I got home. And I was like, how I'm gonna tell my best friend the phone she bought for me, my boyfriend broke it because he's mad. Well, the boy I was dealing with broke it because he was mad at me because he thought I was fucking with somebody else. Y'all, my best friend was so fucking mad. She was like, he gonna have to fucking pay up or something. Moral of the story is, that nigga had me fucked up, period. And I wasn't going like that. Y'all probably like, you out here fighting niggas? Yep. This is so good. Did I get a new phone? Yeah, when I got my new job. Y'all, I was down bad. When I mean I was down bad, like, I was going through a lot, y'all. Like, I ain't had no job. I had just moved out of my mother's house because I was living with him. And then everything just went bad. But then when I finally got a job, I prayed and I got me a job, y'all. I got me a new phone, all that. Did me and the boy start talking again? Eventually, like, I had gave him some time off, like, a good time off. Like, I had to be away from him for a little while because after that, I was so pissed. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video in my story time. You know, me unwinding with y'all. I didn't get a chance to eat the lettuce, but we all know what lettuce tastes like. Period. But yeah, this smoothie is so good. Ladies, never settle for less than what you deserve, and don't never let no nigga pump you. Okay? And think he gonna tell you what you can and what you cannot do. Y'all gotta try that. It's called Green Goodness. Green Goodness. Bomb. I'm telling you, so good. I'm so happy I saved this for last. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hold up. And make sure you subscribe. Y'all heard that right. Like, comment, subscribe, and you know, put y'all comments down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.